Okay, we got our eyes all done. We got the wrinkles and everything put in. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take our block that we glued together and we're going to get that mounted in. And these are the 3 pieces we glued together, and then I sanded down all 4 sides. So we're going to get this glued in, clamp it, let it set for 24 hours, and then we'll be ready to start to sand it down. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put in my comment section. I'll get back with you. Slide this in. And we'll add a piece on the side, each side here for this. Like I said, we'll let this set up for 24 hours and then we can start carving out the neck. Thanks for watching.